In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VBA code to PowerPoint. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We begin by opening the Microsoft PowerPoint application, which is available through the official Microsoft website. When you first launch the app, you will see the main interface that provides access to your presentations, as well as various editing tools. Take a moment to ensure that you have the correct version of PowerPoint installed and that it is up to date before proceeding. Once the PowerPoint application is open, your next task is to choose a presentation to work on. This can be an existing presentation stored on your computer, or a new one that you intend to modify. By selecting a presentation, you are setting the stage for incorporating the VBA code that will enhance your slides with added functionality. Be sure to check that your chosen presentation is properly saved, and that you have a recent backup, in case you need to revert any changes later. With the presentation loaded, you now need to navigate to the File menu. The File feature is located in the top left corner of the application window and houses many essential commands that help in managing your projects. When you click on File, a list of options will appear, giving you access to settings, saving, printing, and other important operations. It is here that you will find the gateway to more advanced application features. After entering the File menu, you will need to locate and click on Options. The Options menu provides deeper controls over the application settings and is essential for customizing your environment to suit your specific needs. When Options is selected, a dialog box will open up containing a variety of settings across categories. Take your time to scan through these options and familiarize yourself with the different choices available, as they not only affect how you work with VBA but also how PowerPoint behaves in general. Within the Options dialog box, search for the section that allows you to customize the ribbon. Customizing the ribbon means that you can tailor the toolbar to show the commands you use most frequently. In this case, you want to ensure that the developer tool is readily accessible. By selecting Customize Ribbon, you are able to see all the different tabs that can be enabled or disabled on your ribbon. This step is crucial as it helps optimize your workspace for adding VBA code and other advanced functionalities. Finally, after navigating through the customization options, you will need to click on Developer. Activating the Developer tab on your ribbon will give you access to powerful tools, including the Visual Basic Editor that allows you to write and run VBA code within your presentation. Once the Developer tab is visible, your PowerPoint experience becomes more personalized and suited for advanced programming tasks. Completing these steps successfully will equip you with the tools needed to add VBA code into your presentation and customize your slides in innovative ways. Enjoy your enhanced PowerPoint functionality and the newfound possibilities that VBA code integration brings.